Today's class will be starting our class on motion, and if you have not yet watched my video on my physics classes, this is the time to go back to the videos I've made on different topics in physics. But today we'll be starting our class on motion, and we'll be solving this past question to kickstart our class on motion. Look at the question. It says a body which is uniformly retarded comes to rest in 10 seconds after traveling a distance of 20 meters. Calculate its initial velocity. And we are given the options. So this is a JAMB question. We're asked to solve it. For us to solve this problem very well, we must be able to draw the graph of the question on the board. Let's go ahead. A body which is uniformly retarded, that means the body is not starting from rest, it's retarding. So because it's retarding, this is the velocity time graph. This part is our velocity in meter per seconds. This is our time in seconds. Because it is retarding, so this is the graph. So we said it comes to rest in 10 seconds. So this is 10 seconds. After traveling a distance of 20 meters, calculate its initial velocity. From our motion class, the area under the graph is the distance of the velocity time graph, the area under the graph. So this shape now is a triangle. You can see it's a triangle. So what is the area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is half base times height, where the base is the time and the height is the velocity. So let's go ahead. So the area under the graph now, area under the graph is the distance. So we have distance now is half base. Our base is 10 times our height. That's the question they asked us to calculate. So half base, let's call it the velocity. That's the initial velocity. So in the question we are given distance is 20 meters, which is this. So 20 meters. So from here we can say 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5. So 5v equals to 20. Divide both sides by 5. So v will be equals to 4. So initial velocity equals to 4.0 meters per second. So from our option, we have option C. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the right time to do so. Taiwo Michael Odibo. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.